Welcome. In front of me is a BLU Vivo One Plus from 2019, and today I will show you how to transfer files from the device to a SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up your file manager app, so let's just find that. Alright, it's files, so this thing right here. Okay, continue, and from here we want to browse the files themselves. So let's see, this is gonna be show storage devices. There we go, and here you can see now the storage devices on the bottom. Now if when it comes down to finding your photos and stuff like that, we're gonna go for instance to internal storage, and pictures and videos that I have captured with the device can be found always under DCIM folder. So for instance right here there is some pictures that I have taken as an example, so I have something to transfer, and videos should be here too if there were any. Then pictures as a folder will have any kind of screenshots. Downloads will contain any kind of file that you have downloaded using either your web browser or email, stuff like that, so they all will be located here. And anything else is usually placed by the user in its respectable folder. So find whatever that is you want to transfer, which like I said, I'm going to be transferring the photos. And now all you need to do is hold the file like I just did, and it becomes selected, and then you can tap on additional ones to select them as well, to add to them. And once you have selected all you need, you can then tap on the three dots right here, and you have move to or copy to. So choose whichever one you want. Now one thing to keep in mind, if you have like entire, for instance, folder full of photos that you want to move, you don't actually need to select all of them. You can either just choose to select all, or go back and just select the entire folder itself, and all of its content will be moved along with the folder. So I'm gonna go with this option, so folder is selected, and now I want to, for instance, move it. So by choosing move, I will actually remove it from where it is right now to a new location. And then once you tap on move or copy, it will give you an option where or choice where you want to move it to or copy. So you have the internal storage and the SD card. Now the photos that I'm moving are already on the internal storage, so I want to move them to a completely different location, so I'm going to choose the SD card right here, and it shows you the content of the SD card. So there is only like 2 folders. Now you can create additional folder if you want to keep it organized. So for instance, add new folder. You can tap here to name it, so I'm going to keep it organized and name it DCIM to basically keep it the same as in the previous version. Or I guess in this case I cannot create such a folder because reasons. So I'm just gonna name it photos. Seriously? Okay, I guess I'm not gonna create a folder. I'm just gonna move it here because the device is annoying and won't allow me to create a folder. So once it's moved, can now go to internal store or the SD card that I have moved it to, and can see that there's a camera with all of its content. So that is how you would move files. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.